Alrighty guys, good morning, and yeah, we just woke up to a winter wonderland across central Virginia, and you can see the temperature right now, 24 degrees, so what's falling out there is sticking. Let me make my way down the hallway real quick to my room. I don't know why I don't have that weather station up in my room, but okay, so now you can see, whoops, try to get that to focus. You can see that snow coming down in earnest across the Richmond metro area. Maybe some heavier banding coming in around Chester, East End, up towards the Middle Peninsula, Northern Neck, and check out the rain snow line too, folks. Even folks, remember I had on my map. I remember I had on my map that it was supposed to, those folks were supposed to see rain. Whoops. Wrong one. Whoops. Yeah, if you remember, I had those folks seeing mainly rain. So, and in fact, they didn't see any rain to start. They just went straight to sleet and freezing rain. So, they might be in for a surprise. If they do end up seeing 2 to 4, it probably will be on the higher end of that range. Those folks down southeast Virginia. So, it would not be foreseeing a coating of sleet, though. Let's see. And now, but as we look out west, check this out. See this area right here? It's a dry slot right here, slicing right in through here. Now, there is some more. Let's zoom in out for you a little bit. As soon as we can get all of that to fill in. Thank you. You can see, just as you can see that dry slot really kind of holding together in earnest, and he's making its way towards the Richmond Metro. However, that upper level low right over here is going to kick in, moving back east. Could bring us a second blow of snow this afternoon as we move on into the afternoon before all is said and done. But we'll see what happens. This is a very fluid situation, and a lot is changing, as you know, with every radar frame. So that dry slot is definitely making me nervous, to say the least. But we'll see what happens. Stuff happens. It is what it is. So, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. See how much that snow does make it over the mountains as the upper level goes through. So we'll see. But should change. It looks like the timing, though, pretty much on target. Pretty much on target. You can see folks did see a changeover to sleet and snow right around a little bit later. Those times, this changeovers did occur a little bit later than I expected. Here across Midlothian, we did see a changeover just shortly after 8 o'clock in the morning, so pretty much on target there. And folks down towards southeastern Williamsburg are seeing a changeover around Williamsburg. Those folks are seeing a changeover around 10:30, 11, as you saw on radar. So pretty much on target so far, and right now those folks are seeing a mix right now. Folks in Southern Virginia are currently seeing a mix. They should change over the snow in the next hour or two. So a little bit behind on schedule, but I think this map's pretty good overall. Let's take a look at my snowfall map, though. Right now, I think especially up in Northern Virginia, I think those amounts will be a little bit more so on the low end, because I think you guys just saw a little bit too much sleet at onset, which kind of cut down on totals. Sleeted just for a little bit too long at onset. So and it took a little longer for it to change to snow than expected, which is why we're a little bit behind on schedule. So if we do see snow, it'll probably if you happen to see 8 to 12, we'll probably be on the low end of that. We'll probably be on the low end of that 8 to 12. So keep that in mind. Still thinking 6 to 8. With that dry slot though, out in the central Piedmont, that's really making me nervous, guys. So we'll see what happens. Hope it pans out, but we'll see. And then but further south, though, I feel more confident. 3 to 6 inches of snow down towards Southern Virginia, Blackstone, Roanoke, Blacksburg. Those are 3 to 6. Ignore the rain part because most of us did start out as sleet and then changed to snow. So, and out towards Williamsburg, 3 to 6 inches. 2 to 4 down Southeast Virginia. So I think you guys would do just fine with this storm. See sleet changing over to some snow again in the late morning, early afternoon period. We'll see what happens. Of course, I'm not so sure about my amounts now because that dry slide is kind of starting to kick in across. Because since the snow right now is starting to slack off just a little bit, so we'll see what happens. But we'll just have to see what happens again. It just all depends on how much this snow out here in Kentucky can make it over the mountains. So will be interesting to see. So it might not be a total bust. Well, folks, enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your snow day, and yeah, folks are already asking me about school tomorrow, so I do not expect us to go tomorrow as well. Well, folks, enjoy the rest enjoy your snow day.